Blockchain is so revolutionary that it will materially disrupt the way we use cryptocurrencies, but more importantly, how we create contracts in the future. And this is a great thing, as we will learn about cutting out the middleman in the long run. Every single Fortune 500 company, every big company in the world, no matter what they tell you, no matter what they say publicly, they're all thoroughly researching how to embrace and leverage blockchain technology in the long run. Blockchain is not just about cryptocurrency. It's so much more. It's about cryptocurrency running on a secure platform while allowing for cheaper and way more secure contracts so that you can spend a lot less money on lawyers, accountants, etc. when you create contracts in the future. Before we understand that in more detail, let us understand the way accounting and banking have worked so far. Not much has changed. Companies and individuals used a ledger system to keep track of their accounting. Unfortunately, they had to pay so many transaction fees and so many bank fees. They also had to pay ridiculous insurance fees, banking fees, underwriting fees, etc. These fees were ridiculously very high as well. Wouldn't it be great if we could transact and have a ledger system where we don't pay as much in fees? It'd be great. More money in your pockets. Now let us understand the digital ledger system. Let's understand blockchain because it addresses the majority of the money problems, and it is the future of money and almost everything related to money, contracts, and secure information systems. Blockchain is not only virtual, so it's easier for more people to access it, especially the unbanked, but it's also a revolutionary and extraordinarily more secure way of transacting. Blockchain is made so that you have complete visibility on every single transaction. Yes, every single transaction. Blockchain is to cryptocurrencies what the internet is to email or what land is to our farmer. Blockchain is like a platform. A block represents a bunch of transactions that are secure and linked together. Bitcoin was invented by Satoshi Nakamoto. The very first block or Bitcoin transaction was called the Genesis block. Links reference the previous block. We have to understand that the information in blockchain is not just about sending and receiving money. It's about a more secure and more transparent way of sharing information and contracts. For example, election data, sports contracts, health databases, historical data, basically any type of contract. The reason you can't lose the information in the blockchain is that there are a ridiculous number of distributed copies of this blockchain all over the internet, which can never be lost or destroyed. There are so many backups. It's unbelievable.